All right, guys, Joe with Colab Garage. I just wanted to share with you something we've been working on for the past few weeks. We're developing products for the R8, and one of the things that we've noticed is there's not a viable parachute mount solution that I've seen in the marketplace, and something that guys are really going to want to put on these type of cars. So what we've done is, this is in prototype form, but we're really excited about what we've created here. So we've got a sleeve system that has a draw pin that's spring loaded, so you can kind of, this will be on a release cable. You'll pull your pin out through the bumper, and then when you want to reinstall the parachute, it's that simple. And this will be on a cable that's remote mounted into the engine bay, or pretty much wherever we feel is the best fit for either the R8 or the Huracan. But that's one of the products that we're working on, and we got a lot more to come.